Hello, everybody. Tommy, Riverside Home Buyers. We got our new project just coming online. We're out in Barstow, California. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough real quick. We picked this up about 2 weeks ago. We got the GC out here. We're walking through it right now and trying to figure out what we're gonna do next. Come take a look. As you see here, this is probably one of the worst cases as far as just junk, debris, trash. We got this property. It was a landlord across the street. She had been letting a young man of the family stay in one of her properties for a long time. As you see, he didn't do a really good job of taking care of it. She was charging him below market rent, and he still wasn't doing a good job. Right, so she's frustrated. She got some work that she needs to do on her property. She needs the income. She's not really generating anything from this property at all. Actually, she's in a hole because after property taxes and trying to keep it up, I mean she's at a negative. So these are the type of properties we deal with. Tired landlord. As you see here, we walk through the kitchen. You can definitely tell that there's really no care to this property right here. And she had been getting frustrated. She expressed some frustration. So hopefully what we're going to do is come in here. We're going to get it together. We got a major rehab going here. Need a new roof. Probably need some new electrical, some new plumbing. So yeah, let's just take a look and give you guys a little tour. And it was a lot worse than this, actually. He actually cleaned it out. And the tenant actually that was staying here, or the gentleman that was staying here, actually was not bad. I mean, we talked to him and we was able to watch his step too. I just got a crash course on snakes in this area. So they say with this type of debris or this type of junk, it attracts snakes. So I didn't know that it was a snake problem to that degree. So we got to be real careful how we step. As you look at this bathroom, you can definitely tell that not a lot of care at all. I don't even know how they would use that bathroom. The guy, he was a really cool guy, prior military, might have been some drugs involved, I'm thinking, just a little. But he actually was real easy to work with. We worked it out. We did a cash or keys. We gave him some time to stay in here. We did have a little bit of issues with the lady that was staying with him. I thought was his girlfriend, but they say it was just roommates. But we worked it all out, right? And that's what we do. We solve problems. We figure out what's needed. We was able to give them a little time. We was able to actually get them out within like 35 days of when we actually got the property under contract. And usually we got to give them a lot more time than that. But as you see, we got our hands full with this. This is the third bedroom here. As you see, it's still another one that, you can see is not well kept. So, and you see we got this window open. When we came here this morning, the back door was actually open. It looked like they got in through one of the windows. So you see here, they probably left all of the windows open. And they probably plan on coming in and out. But hopefully we'll have somebody staying here. That's the plan, to have somebody staying here while we're going through the rehab. Okay. Yep, that's another project. This is the Barstow project. We'll be kicking this off today. The second week of April, and hopefully we be done in about 3 months or so. So, yep. Riverside Home Buyers, if you know anybody that got a property in any type of distress, landlord issues, squatter issues, foreclosures, title issues, taxes, whatever it is, give us a call, free consultation. Link below. Tommy Smith, Riverside Home Buyers. New project starting soon.